So as volatility really picks up, volumes pick up, order flow becomes cleaner, it becomes easier to spot, easier to trade. And this is what we've seen a fair bit of recently. Because what's happening with the increased volatility is people are constantly moving positions. And so you've constantly got this push and pull within a market. People get into a position and then market changes, situation changes, market runs back. And you get what I'd call much more pure order flow. So now there's this skill of being able to understand the flow as it comes in, to understand whether that selling pressure that you're seeing is going to continue. You can't see that from a candlestick. All you see on a candlestick is red candle, red candle, red candle. But if you see the flow coming in, you see that selling pressure keep coming, you can take advantage of very large, very quick moves. If you think back to Monday, go and have a look at the DAX on the breakdown. DAX broke down through some daily lows, significant levels, yes. But the speed and size of that drop was huge. And if you see that on a price study, you see the flow, you could see it's just relentless selling. It became really clear, it became really obvious that you didn't need to get out. And in seeing that, you keep yourself in for 100, 150, just shy of 200 tick move. By just watching that flow, people sell, and it pushes down, and they come in and sell again, and they sell again, and they sell again. When you see that, you're thinking, brilliant, stay in, stay in, stay in. And as soon as that changes, there's your clue to get out. And if you're waiting for a signal or waiting for some kind of chart confirmation, the move's gone. That whole move dropped 3 minutes down, 5 minutes back up, and that gave you 200 ticks down nearly, and about 100 ticks back up in about 8 minutes. By the time you've got an indication or a chart pattern, the move's gone. The action's over, because ultimately the action was the flow of orders. It was the people coming in to sell. It was the people who are long who are getting forced out of trades. And so as that happens, the market gets faster. The flow becomes clearer. It becomes so much easier to see, so much easier to trade if you can understand order flow and what that means. And this isn't a new thing. Yeah, this isn't something that people haven't seen before. I've got a great example. I'll be doing this in a workshop in the coming weeks of gold doing very, very similar pattern. Mirror image goes to the upside, but it's almost a textbook same thing. And so gold drives up, it's almost the same pattern, same trade, same order flow.